Good morning, everyone. I'm Kevin Almond, Head of Customer Success at Forfusion, and today we're going to be talking through the Cisco Enterprise Agreement and how it applies to your team organization and how it can simplify, save, and scale with a simple single agreement. So let's get started. Just a little bit about Forfusion. We're a gold partner based in the northeast of England, currently gold integrator and gold provider, and holding all available architecture specializations as well. Fundamentals of an enterprise agreement. The pace of digital transformation is accelerating. I think everybody's consciously aware of that. And the ability with which we can respond is critical to your business. 58% of all customer interactions are now digital in nature, with 55% of products and services having been digitized already. But customers struggle with complexity of software procurement and obviously license management. Within that, we have increased complexity. 75% of organizations' IT environments have become more complex. And in wasted spend, up to 30% of software spend is wasted each year, with excess usage and true-up fees thrown into the mix. Cisco Enterprise Agreement, Cisco EA, as the Enterprise Agreement is usually summarized as, simplifies software procurement and license management, giving improved efficiency, 85% reduction in manual hours managing software licenses, and increased value, up to 25% in additional cost savings when purchased through an EA versus a la carte. Customers who adopt an enterprise agreement certainly know how to see and deliver the benefits. And over time, we've seen a significant growth in the number of customers transitioning to consume licensing the services through an EA. What does an EA look like? So within an EA, you have portfolios. Those portfolios, 6 in nature. You have a networking infrastructure, applications infrastructure, collaboration, services, security, and provider connectivity. And this construct allows customers to access other technologies within the same portfolio. A bit of an eye chart, but the EA portfolio suite detail shows you what technology fits into what particular portfolio and where that sits within the EA construct. I'll just leave that there for a few seconds. So looking at any EA 3.0, which is the current version, what value propositions does that present to us? We have one agreement, we have flexible expansion, comprehensive solutions, exceptional value, and simple membership. So for the one agreement, we get full access to Cisco's software and services portfolios with common terms from your initial purchase to any future purchases. Flexible expansion, easily invest in technology to support accelerated business transformation when you need it. And comprehensive solutions gives us customized solutions that unlock your best business outcomes. Exceptional value is maximizing your investment with access to exclusive offers, incentives, and true forwards. And simple membership get all the benefits of a Cisco EA for less. Diving into a little bit more detail about the one agreement and further details on that, you get common terms and conditions for all your enterprise software and services purchases, so you can grow your business without growing complexity. You don't need to have multiple agreements. You have one agreement and the terms and conditions are locked in. You have the ability to keep your key program dates and events, so renewals and true forwards are aligned across all your Cisco software and services purchases, so you can plan your business expenditures with ease. Manage your Cisco Enterprise Agreement and one place with complete visibility and granular control from the Cisco Enterprise Agreement workspace, so EA workspace. EA program terms from your initial purchase will apply to any future software and services you add in to the agreement thereafter. Flexible expansion. Cisco EAs are available in most global locations. We have the ability to select multiple strategic partners in an EA based on your business requirements. You can seamlessly add additional software and service purchases to your existing agreements, no need for multiple agreements, and you can expand your existing EA without another enterprise-wide commitment. Comprehensive solutions. The EA allows you to have these comprehensive solutions deployed to your business and delivered from the EA. So for the example, you have SASE, the combined security, client connectivity, network, and observability capabilities into a single subscription service that can be delivered within an EA, as can observability, as can hybrid work. Exceptional value. That's what everybody likes to hear nowadays, is where is the value in this for me? True forward, unlike other enterprise agreements requiring a true up every year that charges you for past usage, the Cisco Enterprise Agreement allows you to grow without a retroactive bill. Not to exceed pricing guarantees price predictability for products purchased within an EA for the entire term of the EA, regardless of software price increases over time. And value shift systematically applies the value of under-consumed licenses to any over-consumed licenses within and between certain suites. We also have ramp, a promotion that allows you to ramp up to full enterprise coverage within a year, which translates into a set price adjustment. Simple membership. The minimum commitment is $100,000 over the term of the agreement. So bearing in mind the agreements are usually 3 and 5 years long. Start with one technology, then expand to others as necessary to support your business needs. Enterprise agreements are 3, 5, but can be 7 in some portfolios, and multiple flexible payment terms, including recurring or prepaid billing options, are available. What features and capabilities does the EA offer? As we touched on a little bit before, how do you qualify for an EA? So the eligibility is simple. It's a 100,000 platform total contract value. And that's from one full commit suite, and you can have additional partial commit suites. So essentially, purchase one full commit suite from $100,000 or above, or purchase multiple full commit suites, which add up to $100,000 over the total contract. You can attach security and services to other portfolios. So purchase at least one full commit suite, opens access to other suites within the same portfolio, plus security and services. True forward in an enterprise agreement is essentially a smarter, more predictable way for customers to manage growth within the Cisco Enterprise Agreement. So what is true forward? It's essentially the periodic billing process for Cisco's Enterprise Agreement. Cisco calculates true forward fees based on consumption and EA-specific rules, annual for full commit and partial commit suites currently. So growth is periodically reviewed and included in the next true forward event, which are usually annually, and the customer only pays on a going forward basis as part of a predictable billing period. There is no retrospective billing. So no true up, no retroactivity, no retrospective billing. There is growth allowance in some portfolios where you get additional licenses every year at no charge. And there is obviously the value shift where you can transfer under-consumed or unused licenses to other licenses or other offset values. EA advantages across commitment levels. So we've touched on already a little bit about the full commit suite, partial commit suite. Now we have add-on suites, and just for reference, there is the a la carte purchase. So each of the commitment levels gives you total benefits or variations of those benefits. Obviously, a full commit suite gives you all the benefits of an EA. So you get capless price, locked-in discount from the beginning of your contract all the way through the 3, 5, or 7-year term. You always have one agreement, and you can have core term options, single management portal, which we've already discussed as the EA workspace, and price predictability for the entirety of your contract. Partial commit suite, on the other hand, has very similar benefits to full commit suite, apart from the fixed list price. You pay the varying list price through the term, but you do have a locked-in discount. An add-on suite is something that's not fully committed enterprise-wide, but is added into the agreement. and loses some of the benefits that you would get from higher tier commitment levels, but is still beneficial because you have locked-in discount and it's the one agreement. A la carte for reference is included there, so you see the difference between transacting within an EA and transacting outside an EA. So key takeaways there. If customers purchase a full commit suite, the discount is locked and there is more savings over time. The EA provides discount predictability and license management benefits that are superior, far superior, looking at the chart, to a la carte purchasing. Billing options in an enterprise agreement. So as an example, looking at the portfolios, we have network and infrastructure, applications infrastructure, collaboration, security, and CX services or support. So billing, we can have upfront billing, we can have annual billing across the portfolios. Collaboration has an additional benefit of monthly billing, as does CX services when that's associated with collaboration, but none of the portfolios have quarterly billing. EA advantages over a la carte. I think we saw a significant number of advantages on the previous charts, but just to reaffirm this in a simplified chart. Full commit suites, pretty much all the benefits available because it's a full commit suite across the enterprise. So just to remind you, it's not to exceed pricing. We have a fixed discount. We have multi-suite discount if you add additional suites. So the full commit suite gets further discounts, access through EA Workspace. We can have co-term, annual true forward, and value shift within a suite. And partial, obviously we know we lose the not to exceed or fixed list price. That's a variable one. But there are additional benefits that we can see there where we have fixed discount for the term of the agreement. We access through EA Workspace, co-term and annual true forward. And a la carte, as we know, because it's not within an EA, it doesn't gain any of those EA benefits. Services portfolio, an EA services portfolio overview. So EA is added on, or the EA services are an add-on to the main full commit suite, so your initial one. So full or partial commit to networking, applications, collaboration, and security suite unlocks access to the corresponding services suite. So you need to have a full commit suite or full or partial in one of those before you can open up the services. You can't buy services standalone. But the services is available for network and infrastructure, applications, infrastructure, and collaboration. That brings us quickly to the end. So why Forfusion? So 9 reasons customers choose to work with us. We are trusted by Cisco. We have Cisco accreditations across all the advanced technology areas. Personal profiles are provided to customers so we can actually demonstrate our engineers have the capabilities that you're being told. We're trusted by central government. We operate fixed price projects. Disruption through innovation. We challenge the status quo. We use an ideology method for assessing all our project engagements and delivery engagements. Strict adherence to standards. We are governed and operate under the Prince2, TOGAF, ITIL, and ISO frameworks. And we operate customer success plans where CX engagements deliver that additional value and adoption to customers. Next steps. If you're interested to learn more about an enterprise agreement and discover how that can benefit you, save costs, simplify licensing, scale easily, and stay innovative as a business, please feel free to contact our sales team. If you're an existing customer, please reach out to your existing account manager. And if you're not an existing customer, please feel free to reach out to our sales team on the telephone number there or the email address as well. Thank you for listening.